Hi, my name is Kat, and I'm a software engineer with Blocknative. And today I'm going to walk through some of the updates from our latest product release for Ethernow. So as you can see, I've got two tabs open for Ethernow. I'm going to go ahead and log in. Let me get my wallet connected and sign. There we go. And as you can see, my wallet's connected, my searches are loaded. If I come over to this other tab, same thing. So we've got the login syncing across tabs, which just makes it really nice and easy to view and save searches side by side. And now I'm going to go through some of our UI updates. One of our big new features is decoding for Optimism L2 batches. So I have a search saved here called Optimism. So click on that, and then, it looks like we have one in the mempool here. So if I click on this, let me collapse the filters so you can see it a little bit better. You'll see we have three different tabs here: details and JSON, which are used to being seen, and then Rollup. So if I click on Rollup, here we have all of these Optimism transactions that have been decoded. They're from and to addresses and some other information like gas information. And if you click on one of those, it will take you to the Optimism block explorer, so you can go in and view some additional information. And then coming back over here, I'm going to walk through just a couple more UI updates. So let me go ahead and take those filters off. And if I click on one of our newer blocks, you can see one of our updates is private transaction labeling in the transactions column here. So it's really easy to see which transactions are private, which transactions are public, and it kind of gives you a really interesting view of the transactions ordering within a block. And then another update, which give me just a second, I need to pull up a block number. It's actually going to be a new label for empty blocks. So if I just go ahead and input a block number that I know is an empty block, and click there, and here we go. If you come over to the blocks column, you can see super clear, super explicit label there that says empty, 0 transactions in this block. So just making it really clear when those empty blocks pop up in that blocks list. And then finally, one of the features that I'm also really excited about in this release is we have mobile support. So previously, when you went to Ethernow on mobile, you used to get a warning to say you can't view this site here on a smaller screen. But now we have support for smaller screens, so you can actually go through and take a look at all that data and actually be able to click through and view that. So that is super, super exciting. So that's it. Those are the major updates. Just to round it out, I'm going to go ahead and log out here and show that also persists between those tabs, so keeping that state updated. Those are the major updates. If you have any questions or comments, please hit us up on Discord.